the Oldman River. Second day on, I guess this is. The fast river. We've been dealing with some pretty dirty winds all morning. It's a beautiful paddle through here. Got some huge geology. Some beautiful geology. So yeah, it is huge too. But these winds have been wreaking havoc with us since we left this morning. I actually had to do a little bit of lining going downriver, believe it or not. I couldn't keep the canoe straight. It was just, the winds were just too brutal. I had a hard time with it. Spitty boy's up at the front doing his thing. Seeing lots of little baby geese. That's always fun. I've seen a few coyotes already. I've seen 2 pair. Spitzy put the bark on them though, took care of that. So once I get around these bluffs and into that corridor up ahead here, it's gonna be a show. Alrighty. Well, we are still in the Oldman River. Just left Lethbridge. It's hard to describe the beauty in this place. I never thought we had this in Canada. You can probably see behind me a little bit, just some part of the clippings that we have. It's amazing. Clay banks. Ooh, if the banks could talk. I could hear cows in the distance, just Spitz barks every once in a while, but right now he's having himself a little snooze. Okay. Well, it's been interesting so far. We're on the Oldman River. We're just ending it. We're just at the confluence where it meets the South Saskatchewan River. I'm nervous because I don't know how the South Saskatchewan's flowing right now. It doesn't look like there's too much for rough waters. But I am going to proceed with caution. Spitzy's sitting up at the front. And we're both pretty cold and wet. It's been raining all day since last night. So it was, just got a chill. This would be a pretty historic spot. This would be the spot where the voyageurs would stop. The confluence of rivers mean a lot. They're kind of a sacred spot. Hey, got lots of pelicans around here. And there is the South Saskatchewan River. Well, great. It's not... I was hoping it wasn't going to be a big set of smashing rapids here anyway, so... I'm glad that it's just a nice lazy river too, just like the Oldman here. And the Oldman, I officially bid you adieu. What? What is it? What? We got more rain where? Ah, you think we got her coming, eh? You want to get out of the canoe? No? You hungry? You thirsty? Smell a bear? See a cow? Oh, well, they're all right. I hear you.